Hello guys, today I'm going to be showcasing the Gravedigger boat in fish. So as you see the stats in here, it has 287 speed, 75 steering and 1 acceleration. Now it's a good boat. Now I'm going to show the design of it. Now there's a glitch. I don't know, will they fix it? You can stand in here on the water. Now it has so much effects. Let's see it without effects with performance mode. It's still so cool. It's still so good. Now with effects it's even cooler. Let's test drive it. Wow. It's accelerating so good. Yeah, everybody should buy this if they have enough Robux and if they play fish and they like it. And I'm going to trade my silver honorary Falk skin because I have the Floppinator skin. Now, if you wanna offer for it, write down in the comments. See you guys. Bye.